The real power was never just in positive mindset or constant movement upward and outward. This has been sold as an evolution, but it was always a depletion. Why? Because real power is not performed, it's contained. In ancient medicine, the body has two fundamental energies. Yang is upward, outward, active. Yin is downward, inward, receptive. And the body needs a specific ratio of both to function, not just survive, but thrive. What I have discovered in my own body and in the hundreds of women I have worked with since is that the entire high performance and wellness world is built almost entirely on yang practices. And yin, the blood, the fluids, the density, the actual physical substance that allows energy to settle and become sustainable power, is being systematically depleted. The return to the body is not giving up. It's not becoming less ambitious. It is the foundation that everything else requires. It comes in nourishment, in rest, in meditation, in substance and sensation. And when that foundation is rebuilt, power is no longer something you perform every day. It becomes something that body can actually sustain. The women who understand this are not slowing down. They are building differently, from a place that does not cost them everything in the process. If you are ready to build differently, follow me on Instagram, Dr. Naya Zupan Institute.